We actually prefer showing homes in minus 20-degree weather.
It's the ultimate stress test for the homes and the realtors.
In July, the house feels fine, but in January, the house will tell you exactly where it's failing.
We check windows for drafts.
And scan corners for cold spots.
We listen to the furnace. Is it purring or screaming?
You can't fake insulation performance when it feels like the Arctic outside.
Cold reveals secrets that the summer hides. So,